At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a ready-to-wear, RTW, fashion business involves a mix of creativity, strategic planning, and business acumen. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Define your niche. Determine the specific market segment or niche you want to target within the RTW fashion industry. Consider factors such as demographics, style preferences, price range, and geographic location. Research your target audience thoroughly to understand their needs and preferences. 2. Create a business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your brand concept, target market, product offerings, pricing strategy, sales and distribution channels, marketing plan, and financial projections. Your business plan will serve as a roadmap for your venture and will be essential for securing funding and guiding your operations. 3. Legal considerations. Choose a legal structure for your business, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation, and register your business name. Research and comply with any legal requirements and regulations specific to the fashion industry, including permits, licenses, trademarks, and intellectual property rights. 4. Funding. Assess the startup costs associated with launching your RTW fashion business, including production costs, inventory, marketing expenses, and overheads. Explore funding options such as personal savings, bank loans, crowdfunding, or investment from partners or investors. 5. Design and production. Develop your clothing line by creating designs that align with your brand concept and target market. Source quality materials and manufacturers for production, ensuring ethical and sustainable practices where possible. Create prototypes and samples to test the market and gather feedback before full-scale production. 6. Branding and marketing. Build a strong brand identity that reflects your unique style, values, and aesthetic. Develop a compelling brand story and visual identity, including a logo, website, packaging, and marketing materials. Implement a marketing strategy to promote your brand and products through online and offline channels, including social media, influencer partnerships, fashion shows, pop-up events, and collaborations. 7. Sales and distribution. Determine your sales and distribution channels based on your target market and business model. Options may include selling directly to consumers through your website, opening a brick-and-mortar retail store, partnering with retailers and boutiques, or selling through online marketplaces and platforms. Develop relationships with retailers and distributors to expand your reach and increase sales. 8. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build loyalty and retain customers. Offer personalized shopping experiences, responsive customer support, easy returns and exchanges, and ongoing communication through email newsletters and social media. Listen to customer feedback and use it to improve your products and services. 9. Legal and financial compliance. Ensure compliance with all legal and financial obligations, including taxes, accounting, insurance, and product safety regulations. Keep accurate records of financial transactions and regularly review your financial performance against your business plan. 10. Continuous improvement. Stay updated on fashion trends, consumer preferences, and industry developments to remain competitive. Innovate and evolve your product offerings, marketing strategies, and customer experiences to adapt to changing market conditions and meet the needs of your target audience. Starting a RTW fashion business requires passion, perseverance, and a keen understanding of both the creative and business aspects of the industry. By following these steps and staying focused on delivering high-quality products and exceptional customer experiences, you can build a successful and sustainable fashion brand. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.